Wallpaper sound running along the walls. Soft spell on the skin in the skull. I sit so still till the room starts breathing, and I can't tell where I end, where it's beginning. I wanna gaze at the music till it's all I see. Let it open like a window, pour it all over me. Let it blur all the boundaries till I'm nothing but proof. I wanna gaze at the music till the music is the truth. Colors I taste shiver across my tongue. Air bends like it's quietly sung. Gravity loosens around each slow inhale. I touch an echo and watch the distance fail. I wanna gaze at the music till it's all I see. Let it open like a window, pour it all over me. Let it blur all the boundaries till I'm nothing but proof. I wanna gaze at the music till the music is the truth. If I stare long enough, will the pattern speak? Thread of a hidden lore running under everything. Quiet question in my chest, like this, like this. Is this how the world looks when it's finally honest? I wanna gaze at the music till it's all I see. Let it open like a window, pour it all over me. Let it strip every surface down to colorless proof. I wanna gaze at the music and see the essence move.